Today let us make the all-time children's favorite potato fries. Very crispy, no fail potato fries in a different way. For this I have taken 750 grams of potatoes. Wash thoroughly, peel off the skin, cut into small pieces and just we have to boil this. Keep enough water in a saucepan and add the potatoes and add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it boil and cook. Now let us check if it is done. Yes, this is cooked well. Now let us drain all the water and keep it aside for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we have to mash the potatoes thoroughly. There should not be any lumps in this. Mash thoroughly so that there should not be any even tiny lumps. Now in this we have to add 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Salt we have already added in the potatoes. Now mix everything together, mix well. We have to make a dough. Now use your hands to knead this. Now the potato dough is ready. Keep it on a working surface. Now let us divide this into 2 parts. Take one part and just roll it. Now we have to cut into small pieces. Now this is done. Take one piece and just use your palm or fingers to roll this. How much length you want, you can make as per your wish. Very simple and very tasty snack. Now here I am using a butter paper to keep all the rolled potato dough. This is all done now. Let us start frying this. Let us heat oil in a pan and add the potato dough, that is the rolled potatoes, in the oil. Very carefully and very slowly we have to add the rolled potatoes. When it becomes golden brown in color, we have to take it out. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes. This is very crispy potato fry. Children would love to eat this. We can make this for even tea time snack. Very crispy. You can hear the sound. From the sound you can make out how crispy is this. At the same time very tasty too. We can have this with a ketchup. Hope you all like this. If you do not have subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and also do like and share. Thanks for watching.